Madam Chancellor, I have the distinct pleasure of introducing to you Dr. Robert Gordon. On behalf of the Board of Governors, I ask you to install Dr. Gordon as University of Windsor's 7th President and Vice Chancellor.
Do you, Robert Gordon, pledge yourself to perform the duties of the President of the University of Windsor as prescribed by law and by the statutes of the university? And do you promise to defend the rules and promote the welfare of the university and members thereof?
I do so pledge myself.
In the name of the University of Windsor, I now install you, Robert Gordon, in the office of President and Vice Chancellor of the University, and I invest you with the authority and charge you with the responsibility pertaining to that office. Can I hug you? Congratulations. You can sit. I now call upon the Chair of the Board of Governors, Mr. William Willis, to introduce our President. You can sit.
Chancellor Haddad, members of the Board of Governors and Senate, senior administration, deans, faculty, and staff, respected members of the community, and especially all of you, the graduating class of 2019, thank you for taking part in the University of Windsor's 112th Convocation. My name is William Willis, and I'm the chair of the University of Windsor Board of Governors. And this truly is a day about the future and all of the hope and promise that comes with it. It is my distinct pleasure to formally introduce all of you to Dr. Robert Gordon, our just installed 7th President and Vice Chancellor. I would like to take a moment to tell you a little bit about Dr. Gordon, our new president. Dr. Gordon is a leading authority on environmental issues and agricultural engineering in Canada, and he comes to the University of Windsor following his term as Provost and Vice President Academic at Wilfrid Laurier University. Before joining Laurier, Dr. Gordon was Dean of the Ontario Agricultural College at the University of Guelph, where he led the largest agriculture and food faculty in all of Canada. Dr. Gordon has also served in various academic and administrative capacities, including as Dean of Research at the Nova Scotia Agricultural College, now the Faculty of Agriculture at Dalhousie University. He also held a Canada Research Chair in Environmental Resource Management while at the Nova Scotia Agricultural College. In addition to that, he headed the Environmental Management section of the Nova Scotia Department of Agriculture, where he administered the province's Environmental Farm Plan program. Yet despite all of those roles and all of those accomplishments, in my mind, on behalf of the Board of Governors of the University of Windsor, what I think is most important to us is the fact that Dr. Gordon is an exceptional leader. He is one who has vision and one who has energy. I can tell you that the University of Windsor is very fortunate to be getting a president who is strategic, clear-thinking, rational, and calm. I can tell you that Dr. Gordon is inspirational and someone who listens to the opinions of others while at the same time not being afraid to make difficult decisions with the care that they require. And finally, in the time that I've already had to work with Dr. Gordon, I can tell you that our new president is someone who cares very deeply about people, including staff, faculty, and students at the forefront. So without any further ado, I am very pleased to introduce to you Dr. Robert Gordon.
Chancellor Haddad, Board of Governors Chair Willis, distinguished guests, colleagues, friends, family, and more importantly, graduates, welcome. Many of you have traveled great distances to be here today. You've come from other communities, provinces, and countries. Thousands of others are also joining us through a live stream of our convocation ceremony. So welcome everybody to the University of Windsor. It's certainly a great thrill and honor to be here today to recognize all of our exceptional graduates, the more than 400 wonderful faces I see before me this morning. And what an incredible sight, graduates of every age, from different backgrounds, with different interests and different hopes and dreams for the future. On behalf of everyone at the University of Windsor, I would like to offer my heartfelt congratulations to all of you on the significance of your achievements. During your time at the University of Windsor, you have shown determination, persistence, and dedication, and we are truly proud. In fact, we are truly Windsor proud. And although we have come from many places, today we are one large University of Windsor family. Our graduates are joined by their friends, parents, siblings, and grandparents. Your University of Windsor family also includes our incredible faculty and staff who have made sure this moment will be everything it should be for each and every one of you. Indeed, today is an important milestone for all of us. Graduates, you've completed an initial signpost on your lifelong journey. From here, perhaps the next steps are to go to graduate school, perhaps time to travel abroad, or perhaps a significant employment opportunity in the near future. No matter what your course is, remember that you will forever be part of this university's past, present, and future. Parents and other family members of our graduates, I can see certainly today the pride you all share in our graduates and their significant accomplishments. It's your commitment and continued support that has helped to make everything that we celebrate today possible. And I want to personally thank you. Today is also your day. So thank you very much. Today, as we're all aware, is also a milestone for me, my first official day on the job. In fact, my first official few minutes at the University of Windsor. It's a tremendous honor and privilege to be chosen to serve as the President and Vice Chancellor of this exceptional institution and to contribute to the broader Windsor-Essex community. I'm grateful that you've allowed me to share in your special day, and I'm committed personally to doing my best to build on the hard work of others, past and present, throughout our institution. I'm certainly delighted that my life journey has led me here to Windsor. Like many of you, I owe a debt of gratitude to those who have helped me along the way. Family, friends, and colleagues, several who are here today, have provided support, guidance, mentorship over the years. You all have played an essential role in my growth, experience, adaptability, and passion my passion for post-secondary education. So thank you very much. In particular, I'd like to thank my family, including my parents, Bob and Jean Gordon, my siblings, Karen and Trevor, and my children, Emily and Hannah, who I am extremely grateful for. I would also like to sincerely thank my mother and father-in-law, Dave and Marilyn Randall. Most of all, however, I want to thank my wife, Serena Randall, for always being there for me for the past 27 years of marriage, for supporting me while I finished my own university education, and for being here today at this significant juncture along our long and winding road together. So thank you. I never imagined growing up in Nova Scotia with my sights set on being the wide receiver or the future wide receiver for the New England Patriots well before the Tom Brady era that I would ever be standing before you today. I suppose you could say I'm living proof of the importance of keeping yourself open to new ideas, to changing directions, and to taking chances. So to all of our exceptional graduates, no matter what you do in the future, continue to exert your talents, distinguish yourself, take advantage of the opportunities that come your way, and please leave your mark on this world. And while it might seem that when today ends, we will all set out on our separate journeys, that's really not the case. All of you who will walk across the stage in the next few minutes on your way to fulfilling individual goals and aspirations will always share something in common. You will forever be alumni of this great institution. You will be joining the University of Windsor family with its 140,000 graduates from more than 120 countries around the world. As alumni, you are all the lifeblood of our university and will have a profound effect on this institution well beyond your graduation today. You can contribute and give back in many, many ways, from being involved with the Alumni Association to providing support and mentorship to current and future students, which in turn enhances their student experience and eventual success. Alumni engagement should last a lifetime. One of my goals as president involves strengthening the connection between you and the university, no matter where your life journey takes you, whether it be here in Windsor, Essex, or beyond. I also want to place a greater emphasis moving forward on the important role our alumni play in the broader Windsor, Essex community. Our university is an economic driver of Windsor, Essex, and that role will only become more important in the future. Graduates like all of you here today are leaving here workforce ready, with an immediate capacity to contribute to supporting the growth and sustainability of our communities and region. This is a role we take very seriously and will continue to take seriously. Our innovative and relevant academic programs that you have all been part of, as well as our important research and service activities, translate into impactful opportunities for Windsor, Essex, our province, our country, and beyond. Whether it's addressing challenges related to the Great Lakes, or to our national borders, or helping ensure safe and healthy communities, or promoting the environment and sustainable manufacturing, we can all make a difference at the University of Windsor. You, our graduates, are the foundation that we rely on to build on a commitment to excellence that exists throughout our exceptional institution. So please consider giving back to this incredible region and community through your time, your knowledge, your leadership, and your talents. The final thought I would want it to leave today is the meaning of the term Windsor Proud, a campaign that you have seen grow and take hold as students during your time here. Being Windsor Proud is a declaration of confidence, confidence in yourselves, in our university, and in our community. It's all about independence, friendships, and collaborations. The University of Windsor is a place where our students, staff, faculty, friends, and partners, locally and internationally, are proud of what we have made of and of what we have built and what we are creating for the future. The Windsor Proud campaign is an opportunity to continue to communicate all of these things and more. I know that each of the graduates today will take your confidence, and your experiences at the University of Windsor with you after today. You have all worked very hard. The future is now yours. Let your pride flourish, but also remember to listen to others. Be focused. Continue to participate. Take action. Set goals throughout your lives. Be true to yourself. Help others. And finally, remember that sometimes it's the journey and not the destination. You have a world of possibilities in front of you. Open yourselves to them and leave your mark on the world. Congratulations to all the graduates today. Thank you and best wishes.